Before you start out on doing any jump rope workout, even basics, warm up is essential. It is key. You are using your legs, your hands, your body muscles need to warm up. You need to at least increase your heart rate a little bit. Warm up is important. So there can be various ways of doing warm up. What works best for me, and I think I've seen many other people who are into jump rope, this is the normal warm up exercise they do. Start with jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 30. So after you do jumping jacks, you can do a little bit of jogging on the spot so that your body is getting prepped for the jump rope and your heart rate increases, your blood flow increases, and with doing on the spot jogging, warm up is very essential before jump rope. You can do some, after this, do some dynamic stretches. Dynamic stretches means that when you stretch your body, you don't wait there. You keep on moving with the stretch. So I'll show you some of dynamic stretches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are dynamic stretches. Also, since you're going to work your legs in jump rope, always do body weight squats. However you can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Try to work your legs because you are going to do a jump rope workout where leg movement will be demanded. So these are these are again warm up exercises which you can do. Dynamic stretches where you don't hold your position. What is a static stretch? This is a static stretch where I am holding my position for 10 to 15 minutes. This only do after a cool down. For warm up, do dynamic stretching. Okay. So warm up like this is required before jump rope, at least 5 to 7 minutes of warm up. Okay, and then you can start your jump rope workout. Let's talk about a cool down after a jump rope. Cool down basically is our static exercises. When we do a warm up, when you do a warm up, those are dynamic exercises. You don't stop when you stretch. In static exercises, you stop for 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 10 seconds. So for example, I'll show you a static exercise of a lunge like this. Now I stop. This is a static exercise. I have stopped. I'm trying to relax my muscle. I'll again go back for 10 seconds again, 10-15 seconds. I'm trying to stretch. This is basically a cool down. Similarly, when I'm doing the mountain pose, I'm stretching myself. Here I'm at a static stretch position. And this is the kind of cool down you need to do for after doing a jump rope workout. Static stretches which cools down your muscles. Here I'll do a static stretch of again a static stretch where I'm stretching myself, but I am holding it for at least 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, at least 10 seconds. So I'm relaxing my body. So always perform a cool down after your jump rope workout.